In our fast-paced digital universe, capturing attention is the name of the game. But fear not, because we've got the ultimate weapon in our arsenal: captivating visuals. With the rise of social media and content overload, standing out has never been more crucial. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of eye-catching imagery and engaging content creation. First things first, let's talk about the backbone of any great visual: high-quality images. Whether you're snapping photos or sourcing them online, make sure they're relevant and crisp. But don't stop there, enhance them using nifty tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. And hey, why not sprinkle in some text and a compelling call to action CTA to really drive your message home? But wait, there's more. Ever heard of artificial intelligence programs like DALL-E or Leonardo? These bad boys can revolutionize your graphics game, making the process of creating jaw-dropping visuals a breeze. Say goodbye to hours spent tweaking and perfecting. Let AI do the heavy lifting while you sit back and watch your content come to life. Now, let's shift gears and talk about video content. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube are ripe for the picking when it comes to engaging your audience. Whip up some attention-grabbing videos, and don't forget to include a clear CTA. Whether you're showcasing your products, sharing tips, or simply entertaining your followers, video content is a powerful tool in your arsenal. Consistency is key, folks. Make sure your branding is on point across all platforms, whether it's your logo, color scheme, or tone of voice. Maintaining a cohesive brand identity ensures that your audience will instantly recognize you wherever they go. Trust us, it's all about making that unforgettable first impression. Ready to take your storytelling to the next level? Dive into the world of visual stories on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. From behind-the-scenes peeks to exclusive content, visual stories are a fantastic way to connect with your audience on a more personal level. But why stop there? Get interactive with your content. Throw in some questions and quizzes to keep your audience engaged and entertained. After all, who doesn't love a good old brain teaser or personality quiz? And there you have it, folks, a recipe for crafting irresistible visuals that'll leave your audience begging for more. With our third-party app in the Auto Affiliate system, creating exciting content and eye-catching pictures has never been easier. So what are you waiting for? Let your creativity run wild and watch as your content takes the digital world by storm. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your content game to new heights.